Hey guys, so welcome to another video. Memefi is another big airdrop that you don't want to miss. If you have not started Memefi, make sure you start today because they are going to be listing. If you see right here, it said Memefi will list on October 9th. So we have just about 1 month to go, just about 4 weeks till the end of Memefi. And in 4 weeks, you can still make a lot of progress and get good airdrop from Memefi. So the link will be in the description. Check the link in the description. Join Memefi today. And I'm going to show you the tutorial how you can start farming Memefi and get good airdrop from this project. So October 9th is Memefi. You can see right here. Now we are ready to spill the beans. The TGE date is October 9th. So TGE is token generation event, which is also going to be the airdrop day, which is going to be October 9, 2024. So let's get right into the tutorial and exactly everything you need to do to farm Memefi very well. So when you click the link, you can launch, it will bring you right here to Telegram. Then you launch the game. Okay. Now, basically, and all the things you need to do are what I'm going to explain to you right now. First thing is to tap. It's a simple tapping game. So you can just be tapping. Then you come to boosters right here. There's turbo boost and there's recharge. So there's free boost every day. So when you click on this recharge, it will fill up my tapping recharge, my tapping battery right here. So to fill it up, and I have 3 of it every day. So that one is the simple stuff. Now, next stuff is your bot. If you have not gotten your bot, make sure you buy the bot right now because this bot is going to help you to mine faster. And you have 3 of it every day. I already used, if you can see, as you can see, I have 0 out of 3. So I've used up my 3 bots for today. I have to wait till tomorrow to start mining the bot again. So if you have the bot, just click on it, mine. It will mine for 3 hours, and then you come back and claim, and then you mine the second one, and then come back and claim, then mine the third one. Also, you can increase your damage here, your energy cap, and your recharging speed. My recharging speed is already max. My damage is locked, and I've increased everything. That's the first part. The next thing you need to do is earn right here. These are the tasks you need to do. As you can see, I still have 20 tasks I have not yet completed. So there are some of them are just YouTube videos. You watch one video, then you can get 500,000 just from one video. See how many. If you join if you join Bloom, right, I'll be Booms right here, I'll get 750,000. So you can see that you can still get a lot of coins from this Memefi, even if you have not started. See 500,000, 500,000, 500,000, a lot of them right here. So make sure you join, complete all these tasks. I will find time and complete all my own tasks also. Then also you can invite friends. If you have not, you can invite friends. I've only invited 6 friends. Then airdrop your wallet right here. Make sure you create your wallet, your Memefi wallet. I've already created mine. And connect your wallet. So I'm going to show you how to do that later on. Also, your level. Now, there are multiple bosses. As you can see right here, I'm in Shalusai. Sorry, I can't pronounce this name. I'm in level 11 right here. If I click on it, you see I've won multiple bosses. So if you start, I'm going to be starting from this first guy, level 1, level 2, level 3. And altogether, there are about, I think, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are about 15, 16 levels. So the higher you go in this level, the higher your airdrop allocation. So try as much as you can to get to as high as you can in this level, defeat all the bosses, and get the coins. Also, see my coin balance, increase your coin balance. And that's basically it for this video, guys. So guys, Memefi is very simple, very straightforward. Just come in every day, tap, and then come to boosters, get your bot, start your bot, and then come back and claim your coins. Also right here, we see here there's a spin button. So when you click here, you can increase the spin amount. I just need to 5. Then you hold it down, then to start spinning, and to give you some more coins. So by the time the spin is ended, it reloads. I think after some hours it will reload again. So I have one left. By the time I come back, maybe tomorrow it will have increased. So you keep spinning, keep getting more. And then also these YouTube videos, some of them require some code. Like now, if I click on this one, and I click on the video, this one now they're asking some questions. So firstly, I need to watch the video. So I click on the link to take me to YouTube to watch the video. I don't necessarily need to watch it to the end. I will go back and then answer these questions. Now, to get the answers to this question, if you don't know, also yeah, I have to wait for this timer, then answer these questions. If you don't know the answer to these questions, you can also always search on Twitter. I told you, for crypto, in crypto, guys, Twitter is your best friend. If I come to Twitter now, if I just search Memefi YouTube code, I'll just search the name of the video. Memefi steals personal data. I can even copy it. I just copy this like this now, copy, and go to Twitter. So if I go back now and I search that what I copy, Memefi steals personal data on Twitter, and I search it, I'm going to get some people have already done it. So see right here, 1 hour ago somebody has done it. These are the answers. When price of the coin artificial inflated, then by checking, these are the two answers. So guys, if I come back to this place and then choose by checking coins and when price, and I check the tax, then I've gotten 500,000. So that's basically it for this video. Memefi is very simple. Guys, take this project very serious. Also, these codes, if you cannot be checking Twitter, I have a group on WhatsApp. You can join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the description. It's free to join. We used to post the combos every day for Memefi, Amstar, Rocky Rabbit, all of these projects. And just click the link in the description, join my group, and that's all for this video, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto video, more Telegram games, airdrop projects, and I will see you in the next video.